Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going over what is, in my opinion, the best way to make money online. Now look, I've been earning online and working from home for the last, I've been working from home full time for probably about 5 years now, and before that I've always looked into different methods of making money online and working from home. In fact, if you come over to my blog, this one on the screen, it's called Not Taught at School, and if we come to make money, if we go to earn online or the interview series or any of these here, I'll just quickly show you this. I've been sharing content over here since I think it's 2017 over on here, I believe so. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's going back to all the way back to April 2017. And look, I trial and test numerous different ways to make money online. Many of you know that I have niche blogs, I have automated systems, I obviously have this YouTube channel and a number of other ones, and I have online courses and lots more different things of making money online. So when it comes to, what is the best way to make money online, this is a question that I get asked, a lot of the time. And there's so many different ways that we can do this. But in today's video, we're going to be focusing on this topic over here, which is affiliate marketing. Now, if you have, any preconceptions about affiliate marketing, or maybe you've heard about this in the past, let me just break it down really quickly for you. And for those who are, a regular watching this channel, I apologise, I'll go through this part as quick as I can. But affiliate marketing is whereby you can recommend or share a piece of software, a product, a course, anything online or even offline, and if somebody purchases that product via your link, you can earn an affiliate commission. Now, you may not know this, but sites like Amazon and eBay and Etsy and many, many more, there's thousands of affiliate platforms in the world, and basically you can sign up with Amazon and you can recommend and share a product to, your friends, your family, or, your social audience, and you can earn an affiliate commission if somebody buys from you. Now, people have, these preconceptions that it's network marketing, it's a pyramid scheme, you have to be salesy and all of these things, and you don't. But first, let me share with you some examples of, that this method works. I'm doing it myself. And then I'll walk you through how you can actually get this up and running, because it isn't hard. You don't have to be salesy, and there's a number of ways that you can do this, okay? But look, over on my blog, you can go to affiliate marketing. I've got lots of articles on here. I'm sharing what I'm doing in my online business, and there's lots of resources over here for you. And if you watch the video till the end, I'll share with you how you can actually get one of my courses completely for free. But first of all, let's go over to Amazon. So this over here is the Amazon Associates Program. So basically, I have earned from Amazon $43.61, and this is in the, what is this? This is in the last 30 days. So it's not, it's not life-changing. It's not a hell of a lot of money by any stretch of the imagination when it comes to affiliate marketing. But here's the cool thing. This amount of money up here, excuse me, I've been paid this for work I have done previously. So essentially, it's a passive income. And if I come down here and click on earnings, you can see this is the product that somebody's bought. This is how many of the item was shipped, this is how much it costs them, and this is my commission income. So, it's not great in the grand scheme of things. Considering we have a product here, which cost $489, I earn $19 commission, okay? So that's one platform whereby I'm earning an affiliate commission, not from being salesy, not from, messaging people in Facebook groups or Twitter or Instagram or, DMing or any of that nonsense. I'm recommending something, people are buying it. And here's the cool thing. I'm actually recommending it or sharing it with people who are actively looking for this, okay? This is one platform. I'll share another platform with you. This is a platform called Warrior Plus. This is indeed my account. You can see this is, I can log in, log out. I'll refresh the page for you and we'll have a look here. So over on this platform, in the last, the last 30 days, I have earned $1,856 in. And if we scroll down here, you can see the earns on here coming in pretty much every single day. This is another platform. So over on Amazon, I'm recommending, different products in different niches and different categories. Over here, I'm recommending different softwares and courses. And I'll share one last example with you, which is over on this one here. Now, this is a piece of software, as you can see. I've currently got $479 in unpaid earnings, but if I go to details really quickly so you can see this, and we'll click on the last 6 months, You can see the earnings here. So this is money that's coming in every month from work I have done previously. Okay. And this here, this is just 3 different examples with you. I'm not going to log into every affiliate network because we'd be here for a while and I think you'd get pretty bored from this. So now you know that, what I'm talking about. I understand this, I'm doing it myself. Why is this the best method for making money online? Well, if we compare this to like a platform like eBay or like Amazon, whereby we're listing products on there, we have to deal with a hell of a lot of things. We have to deal with sourcing the stock, we then have to do the listings, we then have to deal with the sales, the marketing, and then we also have to deal with the postage. And believe me, it can be an absolute nightmare. How do I know? Well, I had an eBay business for about 3 years and we started off drop shipping, which again is another model for making money online. We was doing drop shipping, we then progressed into importing from China and India and a number of other countries. And don't get me wrong, the money was great, but we had to deal with all of these different elements to make money online. So in terms of affiliate marketing, what is our job? We literally focus on one thing. It's traffic, i.e. customers over to a product or a service. And the great thing about affiliate marketing is a lot of the time we can get our content, whether it's a blog article, whether it is a YouTube video, whether it's answering questions on Quora or anything like that, we can actively get in front of people. And I'll share with you a real life example of this. So let's say I was looking for, so Christmas is coming up soon, let's say I was looking for, I don't know, let's say I was looking for a kid's bike as an example. So we'll go in here and we'll type in kids bike, I don't know, for a 9-year-old as an example, okay? So I'm on Google, I'm interested in buying a bike for my son, and I'm coming down here and look, the very best kids bikes, we've got this article over here, we've got Argos and things like this. So I could go through and click on any of these. Now, what I'm looking for is, I'm not looking for Smiths and all these sorts of things here. Let me go back up here. So let me go to, and type this in. So this is best kids bike for a 9-year-old. And if we scroll down the page here, we're going to come across these sorts of articles. This one, this one, this one, how to choose, this one here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one here. Two-wheeling tots. Now, notice right at the top here, look, we earn an affiliate commission when you buy through our links. So, are they being salesy? No, they're not. They've created the content once in the form of a blog article here. If I was to, scroll through here and have a read of this and, click any of these links, then guess what? The owner of this blog or website here, they would earn an affiliate commission. So if I was to click on there, it would take me to this website here. This view won't let me show you, so I'll click on there. What is that? Okay, I'm going to click on continue. It's taking me over to this website up here, and we have got a tracking link up here, which basically means the owner of this website here has been given their own link, and if anybody clicks on it, like I have done so there, and I went over to this website and I now purchased this bike over here, this website, Decathlon, would pay the owner of this website here, this two-wheeling tots, what is known as an affiliate commission. Pretty cool. Now, they've done the work previously, they don't have to do any more work with this, and they'll be earning an affiliate commission. And this is, it's for anything like this. Whenever you're shopping online, it's all affiliate marketing, blogs and websites, and this is just one method for this, and it's for anything. So if we was to go, let's say, best laptop under $100 or $1,000. Let's just go with $1,000. We're going to come across, look, the best laptops under $1,000. This one here. So again, just click on any one of these, and if we come into here, well, this is a newspaper. I'm not actually interested in that one. Let's just go into this one here. Where's it gone? Let's go back up here. Let's go into this reviewed. Go into this website here, and again, let me click on accept. Come further on the page here, and we will have affiliate link. I know there's going to be affiliate links because this is how it works. Look, buy at Apple, affiliate link. Buy from Amazon, it's an affiliate link. Buy from Walmart, I think you get the picture. So this is why, in my opinion, affiliate marketing is without doubt the best way to make money online, because we're not being salesy. As you can see, we create some content. People are actively looking for this content. We're, creating that for them, putting it in front of them, and then we earn an affiliate commission. Now, you can do affiliate marketing in a number of ways. Like we can see here, you can create blogs, you can create a YouTube channel, you can simply go onto a platform like Quora and ask questions. You can even do affiliate marketing on Instagram, believe it or not. It's a simple process. And again, let me share with you a really quick example of this, because once you actually start to see this, you understand, just how simple this concept is. So what's happened here? Woodworking. Oh, okay, a woodwork plan. So let's just go with, I'll show you this one over here actually, this one. This is somebody over on Instagram. They've got 7,000 followers, and look, it's called Brain Training for Dogs. This is an affiliate account. So what are they doing? They're sharing images on Instagram with, look, 2,000, 1,000. They're getting a lot of likes and comments over on the images that they're sharing. How long is it taking them to get these images? Not long in any way, shape or form. But if I come up here where it says Linktree and I click on here, we go over here, look, Brain Training for Dogs. Sorry, let me get rid of that. If I'm here, where's it sending me to? It's sending me over to, you see this up here? This is called Clickbank. This is an affiliate network. This is an affiliate product. So if I was to purchase this product now, the owner of this Instagram page here, who's sharing images like this, they're earning an affiliate commission. And from memory, this one here, I think they earn, I think it's about $37 or $38 for everybody who goes ahead and purchases this Brain Training for Dogs. It's not hard, it's not difficult, and in this example, they're just sharing images and videos over on Instagram. There's a number of ways that you can do this. So if you do want to learn how to do this completely for free, you have a few options. You can go over to my blog here, and you can click on affiliate marketing and have a read of some of the articles. I share case studies on here. I share free courses. I share, look, how lots of ordinary people are making thousands sharing products, because they absolutely are doing. And if you want to go ahead and get my free affiliate marketing course, there's a link down below. I think it says check out, my free courses, because I've got affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you click on there, it will take you over to, blimey, I've got that many tabs open. It will take you over to this page here. And all you do on here, scroll down and you click on give me the free course. Click on there. It will ask you for your name and email on here. So remember your name and remember the email that you put in here. I'm just going to click on sign up. And then what happens here is it takes you here where you can create your free account. Now I already have an account, so I will log into the account here and I'll show you what's inside of here. So look, we cover getting started. Welcome to the Affiliate Academy. We go over everything. We look at why affiliate marketing. We look at what have we got on here. Finding products to promote. There's a list of affiliate products in here. If I then come up here, we go over the framework. We go over traffic and what to expect. We then go into different ways of driving traffic to your affiliate product. So obviously we've got YouTube, we've got Quora, we've got Facebook groups, we've got Pinterest and lots more, and it's 100% free. But look, that's today's video. That is, in my opinion, the best way to make money online is without doubt affiliate marketing, because as I've mentioned, instead of focusing on sales, customer support, postage, packaging and all these things, as an affiliate marketer, your job is to send traffic to that affiliate link. And you can do this in any category, any niche, doesn't matter, and it isn't that hard. So look, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.